is a nice cover. So guys, today we will be doing our music reaction video, guys, the Mission song. So, Mission Song. And this video is entitled Bloody Oblada by The Beats. So, I'm super excited, guys. And this is one of the best song. Maybe it's old, but guys, you are not going to regret when going to listen to this song. Okay, let's go. Continue. Oh.
Desmond has a barrow in the marketplace. Molly is a singer in the band. Desmond says to Molly, girl, I like your face. And Molly says that she takes him by the hand.
Okay.
Oh, bloody, oh, blada, life goes on. La, 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 the life goes on.
Okay, I can see the unity, guys. Yung unity nila ba, or yung pagkakaisa when it comes to pag-cover ng song. So, hindi ko alam yung mga pangalan nila, mga langga, no? So, kung sino mga nakakilala sa kanila, kung sino to unang kumanta na anak nila, guys, which is yung parang may hawak ng electric guitar, and the name of the mother, and yung pinakabunso in yung dalawang girl. My God. So, mga langga, disclaimer lang, no? Please do not compare the two family band, which is the Franz Rhythm and the Mission Soul, guys. Please, yan lang yung pakiusap ko sa inyo. Wag nyo po silang i-compare because they have a different talent. They have a different uniqueness when it comes sa pag-cover ng song. And guys, they are both talented. So, please do not compare.
Oh, bloody, oh, blada, life goes on. La, la, the life goes on. Desmond takes a trolley to the jeweler's store, buys a 20-carat golden ring, takes it back to Molly, waiting at her door, and as he gives it to her, she begins to sing. Oh, bloody, oh, blada, life goes on.
Seryoso, seryoso eh. Diba, ang cute nilang pakinggan, mga langga. Alam niyo yung, ito yung kanta, mga langga, na maganda na para sa kanila. Kasi maririnig mo talaga, masaya na mapakinggan na itong old song na to, guys, is maririnig mo is yung mga boses ng mga bata ba. So,
The couple of kids running in the yard of Desmond and Molly Jones. Happy ever after in the marketplace. Desmond left the children that I had. Molly stays at home and does her pretty face, and in the evening she still sings it with the band. Yeah, oh bloody, oh blada, life goes on.
ang ganda. Alam niyo, mga langga, pag ito mga reaction ko, guys, nakita ito ng mga kapwa-reactor ko, lalo na yung mga taga-ibang bansa, they were going to react to this band, guys. Don't worry. So, meron nagsasabi na ako yung unang reactor ng bandang ito. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na, mga langga, meron ko yung naririnig na boses ng pusa kasi marami akong pusa. And then, yun nga, balik tayo sa topic, guys. Kapag nakita ito ng mga kapwa ko reactor, guys, especially from other country, because they used to react beautiful singers, which is, they have, yung bang mga magagandang boses na talentado dito sa Pilipinas, guys, they used to react those artists. So, sana is ma-discover din nila to. Because yan yung nangyari sa France Rhythm, guys, eh. Ako yung parang nagre-react talaga dati na as in. Sobrang support ako sa kanila. And one day, nakita ito ng mga kapwa ko reactor from the other country, guys. And they also react that one. So, yan yung way ng mga reactor na yung parang spread nyo yung uniqueness na merong talent ang isang tao. So, from Philippine man yan or ibang bansa man yan, if you're going to react that one and na-miss ka sa talent nila, guys, oh my God, boom. So, wag kayong mag-alala kung maliit pa yung subscribers nila as long as na nag-i-enjoy sila sa ginagawa nila. And it says na family bonding din nila, guys. So, family bond, family jam, gano'n.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 너 그래 너 요새 너 조금 이상